So he said to remove the output shaft and all that other items in there, to take a block of wood and knock this output shaft forward. I'm just going to use my hand. There it goes. Then when I did that, he said you can remove the shaft. I think that's what he said. I think that's what he said. Oh, well, if you use your hands, it's gonna hurt like hell. That's for sure. So then he removed this. And the bearing. Was there a bearing? I don't see no bearing. Almost lost it. Let's move some of these tools out of here. Almost lost it there, guys. There's something. What is this? I don't know what that is. I don't remember seeing all that. Let's see. This comes out. See how they all coming out together? We moved all this, and this was like that. But anyway. He said to put it back. There's supposed to be a springy looking one too. He said there were 5 of them. He said there were 5 of them. Let's see. Yep, there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, here's a little wavy one. I'll look at something when I hear it. It's got some more stuff in here. Oh, that don't come out yet, I don't think. All right, then he said, put it all together and put it on the bench. Okay. Ugh. Like that. See, that's where it was going to get all messed up at. It's going to get all messed up putting it back together. Now, oh, he said to remove this thrust bearing here. If it'll come out. Okay. This thrust bearing here goes okay. He called it the thrust bearing, I didn't. I don't know, what's I supposed to move? Is this thing supposed to come out? Because at some point in time, he knocked out the... Oh, man. Ooh, ah, there you go. There's the output shaft. Then he took all this out. There's the thrust bearing. Interesting stuff here. Oh, don't ask me, I don't know. And he mentioned this little silencer thing there, or something. Then, now, is there another bearing here? No. Okay, guys. Now, the question is, do I take that out? And the answer is yes. But I think I already found out why the unit wasn't moving. I don't know what it was. It was something. I don't know what it was that was causing it not to move anymore. But we're going to put it back together. I'm going to order that tool to take that out. I don't think I took that out. I really don't. I don't think that I even bothered that thing. I just left it in there. I don't think that there's no reason for me to take it out. I don't think. There should be no reason for me to take this thing out. Well, I'll just do what he said do. That looks a little bit more than a ring there. That don't look like a... That look like something else. We got a dilemma here, guys. That doesn't look like a retainer. That doesn't look like a retainer. That doesn't look like a retainer. Come here, camera. That doesn't look like a retainer that's in there. I don't know what that is. That's not a retainer. That look like a retainer. And like a bearing or something. So I'm supposed to press down on something and then pull it out. But that looked like some type of a bearing. That doesn't look like a retainer ring. And I really don't want to fool with that. I really don't. I really don't. Let's see what this thing look like behind. That's what's there. It's a bearing. See? That's a bearing. It looks like some type of bearing. I don't know if I want to fool with that, guys. It looks like some kind of bearing or something. I don't remember seeing that on this video, because he said push down on that and pull it back and bring it out. Well, let me go study the video some more and I'll come back and check with you guys later. Take it easy, King, coming at you from King.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. True Phoenix. Rebuilding a transmission. Not really rebuilding it, just taking it apart and putting it back together. Because I've already done this once, and I didn't do it right, I don't think. I couldn't have done it right because the transmission didn't work. All right, take to you guys later.